Welcome to day 14 of the 100 Days of AI and Data Science Challenge. In today's video, I'll show you how to choose the best machine learning model without writing complex code for each one individually. We're using the LazyPredict library to train multiple classifiers in one go, compare models side by side on metrics like accuracy, F1 score, ROC AUC, identify the top performing models for the breast cancer dataset. By the end of this video, you know how to benchmark dozens of models in seconds, select the right model for your dataset, speed up your model selection workflow as a data scientist or ML engineer. Let's dive in and make model selection easier than ever. As you can see in the output, LinearSVC and SGDClassifier are topping the list in both accuracy and speed. You also get insight into how long each model takes, helping you balance performance and efficiency.